Here we have another update on the 66 F100, getting a Raptor crate engine and the 10R80. This is the truck I've owned for 21 years now. Currently had a 427 side oiler in it, 482 cubic inch, with a Cobra Jet C6 and a gear vendor's overdrive, and now I'm upgrading it to the Raptor crate engine and the 10R80. The grille you see is NOS in the box with a 66 date code. The bumper is original bumper for the truck. I had re-chromed all the emblems, the correct 6-cylinder badge, because it's a 6-cylinder. On the hood is NOS, so all the trim and everything is NOS. No fenders on it yet, but I'm just trying to fit everything to make sure the transmission oil cooler and my ram air intake fits and everything else under the hood. I can find the latch here. So here's where we're at now. I have this, it's kind of silly, but I have a velocity stack I had on my Boss Trail 2 many years ago as a young kid, and I had a Super Cobra Jet 429 with a tunnel ram and 2 4s, and this is one of those velocity stacks just for grins. So I'm going to have that for my functional ram air. I had to change the sizing a little bit. I'll have to weld it and fit it a little bit better, and I'll paint it black so it kind of blends in. And this is NOS park lights, lenses, bezels. I was at Good Guys and I had I won an award. I got a best Ford truck at a Good Guys show. And so here's where we're at. Still need some sanding and buffing in places, and the wheels were custom made by Shot. If you notice, there's no exposed lug nuts on them. As a young kid, the 66 Lamborghini Mira, and it's a cross between that and the magnesium wheels that were made back in the day. So here's kind of a overall of the engine bay. Have an AGM glass mat battery, so I don't have any spillage. Here's kind of what it'll look like inside. Last video I didn't mention, but I had to notch the inner fender and drop it down a little over an inch to get clearance for the air cleaner. In here you can see I have the Raptor transmission cooler. Had to touch up the fins on it to get it all to fit, but I have everything fitted inside of here now. Still needs the hood latch, but it's just kind of a temporary with the bumper. Just to verify everything will fit. And then a large intercooler from Garrett, I have to, it's already been fitted. I'll have to build ductwork that fits the shape of the bumper and then rubber seal it so I have a functional, like a ram air effect airflow going through the cooler.